Yeah, hi. Good evening, Sudha.
Good evening, madam.
So you have joined from your laptop and mobile also?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
There is some echo.
Sorry?
There is some echo.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I think I should mute my speaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it should be fine.
Yeah. So you practiced yesterday the foreign currency valuation?
Yes, madam. We both sat till about 10:45.
Oh, good.
So, yes, we practiced foreign currency valuation as well as automatic clearing.
Oh, you are able to do that. Okay.
Yes, we were able to do. Shubha is here. We had a couple of doubts in that.
In which?
Actually, in both. In foreign currency.
Your voice is breaking. Sudha?
In both, we posted.
Hello.
And, can you hear me, madam?
Yeah. Hi, Shubha. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. My internet connection is unstable.
No, ma'am, it's okay.
No, I just got a message here that saying my internet connection is unstable. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second.
Shubha, do you remember the error that we got for foreign currency? It was not an error. I think
I'm trying to do that now. I think it's okay now. I was just trying to do.
Okay. What is it, the problem at my end or
Shubha is able to hear me.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. You cannot hear, ma'am?
Yeah. Sometimes the voice is breaking. Yeah. Yeah, you're sharing something? You're having some issue?
Yes, ma'am. That foreign currency valuation. Yesterday we had a little problem, but now I think it's rectified. I was just checking that.
Hey, are you able to create a business partner?
Ma'am, then I didn't try. I tried the other day and I got it.
I was also able to. Today, I told you, right? For the asset, I'll create one customer, and dunning is also pending, right? So for that purpose, I try to create a customer. It is asking for enter external customer or external supplier number, something it is saying. Then I tried to create a BP. When I'm trying to create a BP also, I'm getting the same issue. So today, I asked for debugging. Arvind, and today anyways, I'm going to sit on this till this is sorted out. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, could it be something to do with the number ranges? Because I think we had those external and internal settings.
No. Yeah, but see, at the time of creation of BP, why it is asking?
Okay.
Number ranges will come when, no, see, external, it should ask for external, this one, right?
Okay.
See, it will ask for the BPX. If suppose you have to give a BP numbering, it should ask for the BP number, right? But I didn't get this message when before. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
What is Shubha trying to do?
Foreign currency valuation. Just one entry.
Yeah. No, again. You have to re-enter again because it is grayed out, right? Now you change the currency. Shubha, wait. First change the currency.
Ma'am, we cannot change this posting date.
Once it is grayed out, you cannot.
Oh.
Shiva, I think we need to give the reference also.
Huh?
Reference.
Not required. No, not required. I'll put.
Hmm.
No, this is because here the difference has not come because did you what do you call?
Yeah, I maintained the exchange rate. For 31st December, I've maintained.
Oh, is that okay? And have you posted it? I mean the vendor invoice which you were.
No, we don't have to post that again. It automatically takes the value. It should automatically take. Am I right, ma'am? Like
What? I didn't follow what is it? I didn't follow both of your discussion. What happened?
Yeah, ma'am, this 80 is the exchange rate that I maintained on 1st December 2022. Then,
Wait. 1st December 2022. 1st December 2022. Okay.
And then one more rate I've.
Wait. Tell me the sequence. You maintained the exchange rate as on 1st December 22.
That is
Okay.
80.
What is that? 80.
80.
So this is USD to Euro.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? 0.80.
And the
okay, then when did you post the invoice?
15th December.
15th December. So it will post with which date? With 0.08 only. 0.80 it will post.
Yeah, right. And then again I maintained on 31st December or 30th December as 90.
90.90.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it should come here, no ma'am. Now new difference, it's coming. Okay. But then here red color.
So it is asking for a see that number range. Interval 02.
That is it. Oh, okay.
It is number range. So once you maintain this rate, then next one also will disappear.
Okay. Should I do it now, ma'am?
Yeah. Please go ahead. FBN1. Because see, you would have maintained for 2022.
Yes.
When will the reversal happen? Reversal will happen in 2023, right?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, because of that reason you are getting this.
What is the error? Interval 02.
I'll just show one minute.
Okay. And meanwhile, madam, in the exchange rate, I mean that showed up in that what you call.
Shubha, please share your screen and do. Yeah, sorry, Sudha. Please go ahead.
Sorry.
No problem. No, I was asking, like in the previous screen where the foreign currency valuation came up, there the exchange rate was showing up as 0.80, whereas the most updated exchange rate was 0.90. So is it like SAP shows the calculated exchange rate on that screen, and
I think it should be there. Maybe the layout we should see. You can check the layout, Sudhan. We will see the layout once. The layout should be there.
I think this is what we were trying to catch yesterday, because we had maintained one rate.
What you were trying to catch? Okay, maybe let Shubha finish the posting. Okay.
Sure. Okay, so this is the document number range maintenance.
Yes.
So it was saying that it is not maintained for 2023, and since the will happen
it's written level 0. Oh, you cannot see the screen, is it?
This number range we are able to see.
Yes.
Okay, now I got it. Okay.
See, it is written here. Interval 0 to you have to create for 2023. Okay.
Okay, so okay. So here, Shubha, what we were trying to understand yesterday was this exchange rate, which is the latest one, which is actually updated post the invoice posting.
Yeah.
That is not captured on the screen. That is what we thought we'll ask, ma'am. But
see, maybe the layout, just check the layout once. The layout, is there any layout?
Yes, ma'am.
It should be there. Do we have anything like current layout? Check on that, no? Just check on the.
No, but it has to come, no? The new exchange rate.
Yeah, it should be there. Just go slowly. Hedged amount, hedged exchange rate. What is that hedge? Just put that select that hedged exchange rate. Yeah, just okay, go down. Clearing difference realized. Difference realized, did you get? Just select the difference realized.
New differences there.
Difference realized also, you just select, no? Go down. Valuation difference, go down. Go down, go down.
Historical exchange rate.
That will be different. Just select, but historical will be different. Just select, no? Just check. Let's check what it is.
Historical exchange rate used.
That's it. Go ahead. Maybe these are the ones what SAP. Continue. Just go to the end.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing has come. Maybe that is what the system would have.
But I think, ma'am, when you were doing it, came the.
It came?
Yeah, I think.
Maybe it would have been a layout issue only. I don't see if it is something you have seen. It should be there in the layout only. Maybe we should check once again. Okay, good. This is what? This is your unrealized So unrealized. So realized, did you try?
Realized we didn't. Ma'am, realized is normal posting.
Your voice is breaking. What?
I said realized is the normal posting that we do.
Yeah, you do a invoice and then make a posting.
Clear.
What is that payment? You'll do a payment.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Payment
So when you do a payment, so the difference will get posted, right?
Yes.
You didn't do the update run?
No.
Oh,
that
okay,
was
go
the
ahead.
test run.
Oh, okay, okay.
We got the difference, but the new rate is not coming.
Okay, it would maybe just check once if you're seeing it should be there. Normally the way it'll show the old rate, new rate, and the difference it will show. That is how the system will behave.
Okay. So I'll stop. Yeah, I'll stop sharing on that.
So today I will just tell you about that low value assets I told you, right? That one in AUC, I think I didn't do justice to AUC yesterday. I will tell once again, but that error is still there. Maybe I will try to resolve it at the earliest. Okay, but I will I will see that the flow is proper. Okay.
Okay.
So low values. This is a small concept only. Low value assets. Can I share the screen?
Yes.
So Shubha, I'll log in with yours.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'll just close me. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, I'll share my screen. You're able to see my, oh no, I didn't share. Yeah, you're able to see my screen?
Yes.
See, yeah, low value assets. Like how we have a separate, what are actually low value assets? Assets, any idea?
No.
Can it be? Yeah, can it be something like which for which calculating depreciation does not make sense or something like that?
See, for example, like there might be something like tools or something, right? See, which you will be using, but you cannot attribute to some specific purpose, right? Like asset on the asset, you are doing some production.
Okay.
But these tools and all, like they'll be like used in a generic way, right? So how do you manage the depreciation of those?
Okay.
So every country actually, it depends on country to country. So some countries, they will have a policy like if such kind of things like they call them as low value assets. So they need to be depreciated maybe within the same month or in a year, like that they will be having some rules. Okay, for that purpose, we have these low value assets. Okay. So this is the concept. Okay, so these are different, right, when compared to our regular assets. I don't know. I'm getting a message, but that my internet connection is unstable. I don't know why.
No, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. So similarly, like how we have a separate asset class for AUC, SAP has also given a separate asset class for this low value assets. Okay. I'll just show you. First, we'll see the asset class. 5,000. I don't know why. I think there is some problem. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
We can hear you.
Hello,
but you're
Shubha?
still-
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot see the screen, but we can hear you, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Shubha?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
You're audible, ma'am.
Mm.
Shubha, maybe we should text her on WhatsApp because she should be easily able to access.
Yeah. Right.
I think, yeah.
What?
No, ma'am can hear, so ma'am.
Financial accounting, asset accounting.
Ma'am, we cannot see the screen, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Are you able to see now?
It's loading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think there's some issue with the connection today. Okay. Yeah. Similarly, as we have that here, we have this asset class 5,000 has been given by SAP. Okay. So here it is the same like the regular asset classes only, but there is one difference here. Just this base unit, just remember there's something called as a base unit. We will come back here. Okay.
Okay.
And rest all is similar like the other ones. And we define like there. Okay, let us see the account determination. The account determination is 50,000 for this. Okay. And integration general ledger and SNGL accounts. Yeah, account determination. $50,000. Like we have to maintain the acquisition cost, right? For that, I maintain this. Okay. 9. And for depreciation, these two. Accumulated depreciation and expense account depreciation. Give me a minute. Shubha, let me just back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shubha, could you tell me what is accumulated depreciation account? I think we were using this somewhere else also.
Yeah, I accumulated all the depreciation that's charged on the asset. Month end, it's all it's all transferred to this account, accumulated depreciation account. Did you understand? Wait, I'll tell you properly. I'll just check. 1 minute. Huh? See, accumulated depreciation is the total depreciation for a fixed asset that has been charged since that asset was acquired and made available for use. It is a total amount of depreciation expense allocated to a specific asset. Okay. Oh, I thought it's for a specific asset. I thought it's for all the assets. It's for a specific asset.
Okay.
Okay.
Normally,
it's the accumulated depreciation is a cumulative depreciation of an asset up to a single point in its life.
okay.
Do you understand? It's for one asset. All the depreciation is this is the cumulative depreciation of this asset.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Monthly we are charging, right? Depreciation. So cumulative. We're just adding.
Yeah. What was the discussion going on?
Sudan was asking about accumulated depreciation.
Okay. So yeah, I will just show you the GLs also. They're like the regular GLs only, like regular depreciation accounts, what we create.
We cannot see that screen.
Okay. Yeah. You are able to see, right?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this is what it is. The regular one only. We'll have a reconciliation account. We have a field status group. Okay. Then you have the depreciation. So it's the same. Okay. Then you have your LVA depreciation account.
Ma'am, this cost element is there, no, ma'am?
Yeah, but depreciation will be having the because it is primary cost.
Primary cost.
I didn't maintain. I think I didn't. The cost element category is there, right?
Yeah, it is mandatory.
Yeah. Because I just copied, so I copied from an existing previous this building's depreciation area, so I didn't notice anything. I just copied it.
Okay.
So for depreciation, it is your primary cost. So these are just the regular GL accounts which we maintain. Okay. So for these, how will the system know that these are the low value assets? It is slow actually made today. Today our dog went off. Somebody in our apartment, I don't know. They said went off in the sense somebody took.
Okay, they just took without you knowing, ma'am, or like?
No.
Okay.
They went from it. The dog went from our home. I meant to say. I don't. Today, one of our apartment, no, one person he came in the morning and he said. He just said like somebody wants the dog. Okay, we will give it in the evening. No, I'm going far. And it's difficult to take it again. The car is coming and I will take just in 5 minutes when it went off. We didn't know only. Actually, today morning, I don't know, it vomited a bit. So vomited not much, just like the phlegm comes out, right? In that way. So because of that reason, we didn't give anything also. Like in my house also, that day I was not well, right? So afterwards, since morning, my mother-in-law.
Oh,
Then
maybe.
my elder one.
Mm.
My elder one, he vomited since morning. Then the dog also vomited. I was thinking what happened in the home. Everybody is like this. So we didn't give him eat anything. See, for us, if we drink milk, right, it'll aggravate. So we will in the morning, so we didn't give anything. So we forgot only. We thought I was also busy with few things, and he was also not well. So like that we didn't realize that we didn't give any. Poor fellow, it will not ask for milk or anything. Food, it will not ask. It will just shout. It will just shout. Do take him out only. And if we are fighting at home, one day I bet my younger one. So it was shouting. It knows everything. So in that way, it was shouting. Or if you are talking on a little higher voice,
you'll understand.
It knows that there is something negative going on. My kids also like just to irritate it. They'll be like hitting each other like that way, shouting all those things. It will not. So like that. That is the only way. The 2 times it will shout, or if somebody new comes. Now new also on females it doesn't shout. On male it will shout. Like that it is. And he just said, yesterday 2 days back, somebody came and they said they want it, but they didn't tell anything. They told my son, it seems, we will take after you go like that. Then he told it, no, you can take when we are there also. He told it seems. Then I don't know what happened, that person. And our security was telling today morning that somebody took photos and went it seems. Somebody want for office.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know, this person, he came and he said, in our apartment, we have so many issues. We cannot keep it for a longer time like that. He said, then I said, our intention is not to keep it for a long time. We want it to be in a safe home somewhere. He said, it will be in a hotel. I don't know what hotel, what they will do and all. Just give it. It just went into we just came out and it was like, just kept it head up and it was looking at us. And we were feeling so bad that it is going, but I don't know. I think it will understand. And it just came out and it went into the car. It sat into the car and it went off. But the only thing is we didn't give it food also today. They ate in our home today. The way it came, in that way only it went off. So sad. My father-in-law is crying only when it's born. He was telling.
It actually becomes like a member only.
And it is so
small.
Not it is too. Oh, I said I will share the food. But it's very decent dog actually. Very decent it is. It's very decent. I told you, right? Our kitchen, dining, and 1 bedroom. It can see. Like that, my mother-in-law was not well, so she was just lying down. We told that it is going, and she went and saw from that 1 bedroom. My father-in-law, he came out and saw, and he was telling in the evening, you would have gone and left it, right? Why did you leave it just like that? He was telling my elder one. It's not that somewhere near. Again, if he goes, he has to come back, right? We don't.
That's it.
We should pray that it should be. That is the only thing. If we go and see, if suppose situation is not good, we cannot do anything also. It is not enough. I just got remembered when our call started. I just called that person to inquire how it is. He disconnected my call. Maybe he's busy. Like that. And the way it came, like that it went off. We should not develop that much of attachment also. It's really difficult actually, even for 1 or 2 days also, that too, it cannot speak out, right? At least humans, we can talk, if it has some problem also, it cannot. Nicely,
is in good hands.
It should be. It is a really decent dog, and it should be. God only will take care of it. Nicely, it used to pay with we used to go to the terrace. He used to study sitting there and with the dog on the terrace. Nice, it was. Yeah, it used to play very nicely. It used to run with him like that. It also enjoyed the company. And he had a photo shoot also, my elder one, with the dog. We thought, we didn't take photos with that, but my younger one went to school. At least if we were able to know it will go in the evening or morning, we will be prepared, right? In just minutes, he just came. I forgot to tell. I just got remembered. Why? That's the reason he was going out. So while going, he came and he told, and he asked us to bring down. We also have no other option.
That's good.
We just could. That's it. Yeah. So how will the system know that it is a low value asset? Okay. So for that, there's one small setting we have to do. And you're able to see, right? General valuation, amount specifications. Okay. Specify maximum amount for low value assets plus asset classes. Okay. This is the only set. And here you'll specify the low value asset classes. You'll select this. Low value asset. This will be your interview or question and as a certification point of view also. Okay. So for each depreciation area, there is the system will check whether no maximum amount check. Okay. So it will check if the value is within so and so amount, then it will not allow us to do a posting. So here itself, if you maintain in this asset class, it means it is a low value asset. But again, from the system's perspective, we have SAP has given us these three things, the way we can classify a low value asset. You need not specify the maximum amount, means whatever is the amount, the system will allow us. Okay, next is value based. So it will check if it is greater than a certain amount, the system will not allow us to post. Okay, then check maximum amount with quantity. So quantity wise also we can do the restrictions. Okay, I didn't get a chance to work on this. Okay, maybe if we can do some RD&D, we will be able to know. But for us, we have to know the concept. Okay, I will tell you the value-based one. Okay, but for us to know, we have these three checks. Okay, no maximum amount check, value-based maximum amount check, and check maximum amount with quantity. Okay, how the system will know this is the quantity it need to check. So for that, we need to give, while entering the asset, right, we need to give the quantity also. Okay, and in the asset class, I asked you to remember, right, to make a note, that base unit. So there we will be giving the unit of that asset. It may be whatever it is, grams or inches each, or some inches or whatever. You give that, and in the asset master also, when you create, you will be maintaining the quantity. Okay, so this is just know this concept. This is, you have something like that. When you get time, you can do R&D on this. But this I will show how to do the value-based maximum amount check. Okay, this is very important. Okay, these three things. Okay, it is value-based and quantity-based. Okay, here we will be maintaining for each depreciation area, how it is, and specify. You have to specify the low value asset. Okay, this is at what level? This is at your asset class account. Asset class. So it is your asset class level. You are giving this asset class and depreciation in the chart of depreciation level. Okay.
Okay.
And this is at your company code level. These you need to remember, okay?
Okay.
At the complete code level, you will be telling the system for each depreciation area. This is the LV amount, okay? Acquisition. If the purchase is beyond this, the system will not allow us to do the posting. And similarly, we have maximum LVA purchase. So when you are raising a PO for this LVA assets, it will not allow us to raise if the value is beyond this amount. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
value or quantity, ma'am?
This is value based. This is value. Okay. And quantity wise also it will check that in the quantity I told you, right? This is, it applies to both. So quantity wise also it will check when you select that second option, right? Number 2. So it will check based on quality, quantity and value.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I didn't understand the difference, ma'am. LVA amount and maximum LVA purchase order means?
This is when you raise a purchase order. See,
Okay.
There are two things, right? You raise a purchase order, right? Purchase order, you know. So, okay. When you want to, so for example, the way the transactions happen in businesses, you want to purchase something. Immediately, the way we purchases, you go to the shop, you buy something, they'll raise an invoice, give an invoice. But in big organizations, I think Sudha can give a better picture. In big organizations, what we will do, we'll place an order. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
As saying that this is what is the quantity I want to purchase and this is the rate at which we want to purchase. We see normally before this, there are something inquiries and also many things will happen. Then they'll come to an agreed rate between the vendor and the buyers.
Yeah.
And the business, and then we'll raise an order on the vendor saying that please deliver so and so at this quantity and at this rate. Okay. Then afterwards, what happened? We will get the goods receipt.
Okay.
Goods will come. So that is via goods receipt. Then afterwards, we'll have the receipt of the invoice. This you will get to know when we do the integration with MM and FA and MM. Okay. So the steps in purchase order are, with this purchase is normally you have a PO, purchase order, and for the purchase order you'll have a GR, and then you have a IR. And from IR, you know, right? We do a payment based on that IR, right? So that purchase order also, normally it should be more, actually. The purchase order also, if it is within if it is less than, if it is more than this, it will not allow us to raise the purchase order.
Okay.
This is your acquisition. This is your acquisitions value. Means it will be your invoice amount. Okay, clear? Okay. Hey, just remember these settings, okay? So we will do some postings and we will do this, okay? /n. I think this one only, right? Yeah, we have to create an asset first,
Yeah,
right?
we have to create an asset.
AN03, one asset I've created. I'll show you that.
Okay.
Before that, actually, I wanted to show you one more. So the depreciation of this, right? Sometimes some depreciation keys, the way they are maintained is there is one depreciation key maintained for this purpose. In some cases, you know, in the month in which the asset is acquired, in that month only the depreciation will be fully depreciated. Or in some cases, the depreciation will be within the year. Okay, the one which I have selected is within the same period. So that is what has been assigned by the SAP also. I will just show where it is. Financial accounting, asset accounting, There is a determined depreciation areas in the asset class.
General valuation.
5,000. Yeah, this is the one, GWG. GWG. There is GWG here. LVA 100% complete depreciation. Okay, so this is the depreciation key. We will just see what is GWG. Will GWG valuation methods, depreciation key, calculation method. You remember, right? All these? The GWG. 100% depreciation. The end of the.
I don't think we came to these.
Hey.
This one we didn't do. GWG is for low value asset.
Yeah, but this we saw, right? Base method, what's that?
I mean, you mean to say this specific screen or?
No, the way we say these calculation methods to the depreciation key.
Okay. Yeah, understood. Okay.
So it is a ordinary depreciation, declining balance method, and this period and multi-level. We will see what is there in the multi-level method. Team. It is just calculating here. Base value. It says the calculation is based on the base value. Okay. Yeah, this should be controlled via this period control method is there, right? So via this, what is 003? This one, via this, it is controlled. So based on this, the whole depreciation is calculated in the same year. Okay. GWG. One second. Yes. So it is ordinary depreciation, the normal one. And what did we see in 13? On what it is calculating the depreciation, there's no percentage. Right? There's no percentage here. From ordinary depreciation start, and in this level, it is just the base value. What is the base value? It is just calculating based on the acquisition value. So the settings for this are here in this period control method. I will take you to through this method once. Okay. We have to do some R&D on this method. Okay. So based on this, I'll also make a note. I will tell you this method. Okay. So based on this, the system is calculating the depreciation in the same month, same period. Okay. This one. And this, the GVK, which is given, right? It is given with the standard SAP only. Okay. Now we will see the asset /NAS0. One more thing is, see, when you do this, right, this is the error which I always encounter. When you maintain here, right, in the depreciation area, determine depreciation. Financial accounting, asset accounting. What is that?
Depreciation area.
No. Determine depreciation. Where is this? Yeah. See, whenever you do this, no. Normally, when you do, all these will not come. It will be in deactivation stage.
Yeah. Once we put the layout, I think then it will come.
No, it just, if you take out the deactivation thing, all will come automatically, or you can maintain the depreciation.
Okay.
Because of this, what is happening, right? When I created this asset, 103.
Cannot see that screen.
Okay. Right? You're able to see? No. Asset, what is that? Yeah. See, because all others are deactivated, it is like this. You're able to see my screen?
We are on the display asset master data screen.
See, only one depreciation area has come. Because initially when you do this, right, all these will be in deactivation stage. Okay, because of this, you know, what are the repercussions of this? This is what will happen. Because you will be struggling again. That's the reason I'm saying. Anyways, if you are, once we are using the asset class, right? F dash, the screen this you are able to see, right? Acquisition screen?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
Acquisition screen you are not able to see?
No, we are in display asset.
Oh, okay. I moved from the screen actually.
Yeah, you opened a new screen /show.
Oh, and I didn't do. I did. Okay.
Show.
You are able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just showing what will happen if you don't do that. 70 and 103. And the posting and all, everything is normal. Okay. Yeah, data inconsistency. Okay, it says parallel depreciation area is not posted. See why we are getting for chart of depreciation RKP1, you define this area as parallel depreciation area for depreciation area 04. See what we are telling here to the system. How is depreciation area for deriving the values? It is deriving from 01, right?
1.
So this 4 and 7 has got it didn't throw an error message about 7, it threw an error message about 4. So they are deriving values from here. That is the error it is throwing. What we will be doing, we'll be looking at I didn't come to the screen initially. So we will be seeing somewhere. We'll be looking at our depreciation, determine where is the check depreciation areas, we'll be looking there. So this is one thing which we should remember, okay? Always ensure that you're always check before you do when you create a new asset class. Just ensure that the depreciation areas and depreciation keys are intact. Okay. Yeah. Now
I'll have to do in yours only. Mine is still not.
Yeah, no problem. Now at this stage, don't do R&D.
Yeah.
We have very less time. I don't know if the server access extended beyond the 15th, I am fine. I am prepared. Now what I did, I attend some classes, some Sanskrit classes and all. I've cancelled all my classes. 1 week, I'm completely dedicated to this session only. I'm not taking up anything else. So within a week, I want to complete everything. Less than a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, madam.
Yeah. So you both of you also please put all your efforts.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to create. Oh, why? I'll show you an asset which I've created. Okay. That's right. Today also, I'm going to catch hold of Arvind today. I have to clear off this AUC's asset issue and that business partner also I'm not able to post. Yeah. This is how we create. Okay. We create an asset against an asset class, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, these are the basic questions, for associate level certification, this like, how do you create an asset? So such type of questions only will be there.
Okay.
Okay. And time dependent, you give your cost center. So this will get automatically copied, right? So your depreciation key, this is the initial asset which I did. So 102. Oh, second one also I did in the same way. See, this is the one. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Then we will be posting one asset acquisition, right? So yeah, I will F-90 17 I'll try to post for a higher value. Okay. There, you remember 500 euros was there, right?
Yes. The maximum.
Yeah. So 104, I think it is fine. 104. Yeah.
Transactions.
Yeah. Area 01, currency euro, LVA, maximum amount exceeded. It will not allow us to post. Okay. So we will post this. F-90. Give me a minute. 1 second, I'll come.
Shubha, are you available say around 4 p.m.? I'm just asking, I don't feel compelled. Or...
No, I'm just thinking 4 p.m.
What I am planning, like I was okay. I might be able to come off because anyway I get exhausted. So citing that I might just manage to come off because I think time is really a constraint now. So,
yeah, tomorrow is Friday, right?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Okay. Fine. It's okay. 4 o'clock, fine. Okay. We can sit. Okay. What will we discuss? Assets, is it?
Asset, maybe we, if it is okay, maybe we should sit tonight after the class. Asset posting.
Maybe today.
Not possible. Okay. Okay.
I'll see let's see when ma'am finishes the class.
Okay.
Is it okay? Let's see.
Okay. So now. $70, right?
70.
104.
Transaction type.
Okay, I'll just post. Okay, no simulation. Okay, it will allow us to post. Okay, so this is one check. So it will not allow us to post if it exceeds that beyond that amount. And next check is it should get depreciated because of the depreciation key. it should get depreciated in the same period, right? Slash N AFAB. Okay. We posted for 200 rupees, right?
Yeah.
This is a LVA. This is 300. This is my posting. What is asset number here? You're able to see asset number somewhere? No.
No.
We will see in the layout. Asset. Asset. Yeah, 104 has come here. I think what would have happened is 1 second. I open slash AW01 and okay. See, I have posted for 100 rupees before, 100 euros.
Okay.
And this is the posting which we did now. Okay. Okay, so for that, the system has come here. Okay, and it is depreciating. Wait, where is the depreciation value? 1 second. The total amount, right? It is depreciating the total amount. This is one thing we need to check. And my pending issue here is period control method. Period control method, it will take some time to explain. That's the reason I'm parking it now. Because you saw, right, there are 3, 4, right? Acquisition, addition of acquisition, retirement. You saw, right, there are 4 tabs.
Yes,
we have to go through all the 4. It will take some time. That's the reason I'm parking it here. Okay. So for us to know that low value assets means what, there is some constraint with respect to the amount which we should post to these assets. Okay, that is one thing. And there are 2 ways the system will, 3 ways actually. Sometimes it's no, though we classify the asset as a low value asset, there's no maximum amount check. And second case, there's a maximum amount check only with respect to value. And the third scenario is there's a maximum amount check based on the quantity. Okay. Where in case of quantity, where do we enter the quantity? We enter the quantity in the asset class. We enter the base unit there, and while we enter when we create the asset, right, we'll be maintaining the quantity and all. Okay. These are the things which we need to know. And here in our case, actually low value asset means normally they will be depreciated in the same period or in a year also. Okay. This key which we are using here, because of that key, the depreciation is in the same period.
Usually the other assets are also in the same period. The depreciation, same period it's calculated.
Same period in the sense the total asset value will get depreciated in this period.
Okay.
For example, if you see here, building.
100%.
Building, we will see if in the layout, what is the acquisition value. This is it. There's no, the asset value is not coming here. Asset is there. Okay, I will take the, no, it should be there. 1 second. Change layout. Reference, company code, asset value, date, currency type, purchasing document, fund center, functional fund, fiscal year, brand, account type, base, input, measure, trade, special It's not there. Amount is this one only. Here also, anyway, this amount we can see here. Okay, now we will see here. This is, what is asset number here? 6.
6.
Where is that asset? If you just see the asset here, yeah. What is happening here? This asset is depreciated over a period of time, not in the same period, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Whereas in case of low value assets, what is happening? 104, right? It is depreciated same period. Okay.
Okay.
If you want, I'm just leaving it to you. You can post this depreciation when you're doing some testing like that. Okay.
Okay.
This is one thing. And one more thing is AUC asset. So what do you remember? What do you remember about the AUC asset?
It's under construction. Yeah.
Yeah, depreciation will not start until until the construction is completed.
So you mean to say if there's what happens when the construction is completed?
We transfer it to an asset.
Another asset, to a final asset. Yeah, because so on the AUC you can never calculate a depreciation because the depreciation key is what? 0, 0. That is the most important thing. Okay, we should remember. Yeah.
Okay.
Then what else you remember? Only this one? We maintain some rules. We try to do the settlement. Okay,
Yes,
I will.
Yeah.
No issue. So basic thing is there are 2 ways in which AUC can be settled. One is your line item. I've showed you in the asset class, right? Line item settlement and investment measure. So wait 1 second. SPR. Is the asset class open anywhere? No. The screen you are able to see, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Financial accounting. Asset accounting. Where are we? Asset class, right?
Asset class.
Organizational structures, asset class. Line item and investment measure. See, in case of line item, we saw, right? So line item wise, we can do the settlement to another. See, you can do the settlement to more than one asset also. Okay. And in case of investment measure, see what we are doing, the settlement is happening from FI, right? You're creating an AUC asset, you're posting some acquisitions to that asset and you're transferring it, right? In case of investment measure, it will happen from the outside of FI, means from the internal order. Okay. I will tell you what is an internal order, maybe not tomorrow, maybe another 2 days. Okay. Based on an internal order, or it is like a cost object actually. It will collect the cost and then it will be transferred. Or we have something called as if there's a module called project systems. Okay, in that module, you just remember this. Okay, you'll maybe going forward when you start working on, or when you'll be you have this module. In that module, we have something called as a WBS elements. So via those elements, via this, the asset, the AUCs will be created and they will be transferred. That is where we use the investment measure. Okay. So right now from FI, you know what we will be doing. We will be using this line item settlement. Okay. So if you select either of these, it means that it is not, it is not a regular asset. Okay. This is something very important. Okay. And see one more thing. I don't know whether I told you. Asset class is blocked. If you want, you can block an asset class also here. Okay. Yeah. So first, the thing is, you have to, in the asset class, you specify whether it is line item settlement or investment measure. Okay. And then what you have to do, you will be creating an asset. Before that, okay, I will tell you from the end user point of view. Then there is one more configuration which I didn't show you yesterday. I will show it today. End user point of view, what we will do, you created an asset, right? Then after we create the asset, what we should do is slash A is 0, 1 or 2. I think 1 or 2 is the asset which we created. Right? This is the asset which we created yesterday. Yeah. And right, 7,000. Yeah. Yeah. This is what we posted. And here you will not have any depreciation or something because there's no depreciation for this, right? Yeah, this is one thing. And where we have to go here. So what you have to do, you have to define the rules for settling the asset, right?
Yes.
Financial accounting, asset accounting, this fixed assets, posting, capitalize, distribute. Okay, distribute this asset. You give any other asset, what it will throw. Line item settlement is not possible for asset so and so. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will not, it will stop us here on 1 or 2. Execute. This is what we maintain the rules, right? That is why it is green here.
Yes.
Oh, detach. I did that. Okay. Enter. Okay. Here you give the fixed asset category. Who is the settlement receiver? Percentage. If you can give percentage or amount, and you can give more than one. Maybe when you're testing to create 2 assets and try to give amounts or percentage. Okay. Don't spend much time. Okay. First you do with a single one. If you are able to go ahead, then you try for the second one. In this way we will do. This is what you'll be maintaining the distribution rules. Okay. Then what you can do the settlement also from, actually you can do the settlement either from here or you can go to the other screen. Okay.
Ma'am, which screen was this, ma'am? I didn't see.
Which one? Distribution rule. You saw
okay. Yes. Okay. You said we'll click that settle. Okay.
Then settlement. This transaction code is AJ. I don't know. AJAB. No. AIAB. AIAB. Okay. ABU. Settlement. Here we will execute settlement. This is for the actual settlement. Okay. I have to change this date. Okay, we are settling the total value to this asset, right? Yeah, this is how it should go. But in our case, yeah, I said, right, that maintain that number ranges is coming. You can remember these transaction codes also. AIB, what is it? AIB and AIB. This different, after I'm maintaining also another error is coming. Okay, so that is where I need to do some R&D. So first you'll be maintaining the distribution rules, and next in the next screen you'll be doing the settlement, or in the same screen you'll be doing the both. Okay, back end, there's one more thing we need to do. We will go more detailed on this when we work on the internal orders and cost center accounting. I'll just show you that there is something available. Financial accounting, asset accounting, transactions, capitalization of assets under construction, define RSN settlement profiles. Okay, you define a settlement profile actually. Okay. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Another 7 minutes.
His daughter said the night is not.
Yeah, settlement profile. Okay, we have something called a settlement profile, wherein it will tell, it contains the rules about the settlement which I have mentioned. This is from the configuration point of view. What I've told you is the end user point of view. Okay, here we will tell how the settlement should be done to be settled in full. Okay, and there is something called as an allocation structure, but this doesn't make sense here. But in a settlement profile, we have to give an allocation structure. So we are giving this. We'll go more details about this when we work on cost center accounting and internal orders. Okay. Then we tell here what is the settlement for. This is for a fixed asset. That is where we are giving FXA, right, in the settlement distribution rules. Okay, and here you will select fixed asset settlement required. Okay, which is a valid receiver. Your fixed asset, right? Who is the receiver of the settlement rule?
Yes.
Okay, and the document type we'll be giving here. Okay, this is just remember this. We'll go more details into when we go into the cost center accounting and internal orders. Okay. So this is how is it, and that settlement number ranges is one thing we have to maintain, that I will tell you. Does it make sense when compared to yesterday? Are you having more clarity?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how the AUC settlement works actually. Okay, so the pending things for me from asset accounting is the period control method. I have to tell you, and maybe I will take you through the 4 methods also once. You just start doing, if you start doing your testing, right, it'll be easy for you to go ahead with the depreciation calculation also. Okay. The 4 methods I will tell. Anyways, the 3 methods, it is fine. The 4th one only, this will take time. Okay, period control method and that AUC, that is the only, and one more thing, that retirement with customer.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the 3 things pending from my side. Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, maybe I will work with Arvind tonight. So will you be both working tonight?
I might not, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I am also. Yeah, I'm also exhausted. Actually, I was trying to, come out of office by 4. Not just for the studies as such. I was thoroughly exhausted. More people are falling sick, and
what happened?
I'm saying more and more people are falling sick in office, and though I am taking medicines, it's as if I am. It's as if it is aggravating, more body pain, feverish, and all that. So I was thinking of coming off, but I couldn't come. So exhausted a lot. Not tonight. Tomorrow I will try to come early from office. Then
you let me know. We can sit by 4 o'clock if you want.
Okay. For me, challenge is I have to use either of your users, right?
You can
That's the reason.
use mine, ma'am.
Yeah, I will use, yeah, but let me know if suppose if I'm using and if you want to do want to work, let me know. Okay, please don't hesitate anytime. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the things I will work on. Hopefully, I should be able to finish up tomorrow. I'll try to clear this. If I'm not able to clear, I will start cost center accounting. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, the pending things are other than these, we will have cost center accounting, internal orders, FIMM integration, and FISD integration. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, Surya, ma'am, she'll not extend won't she be able to extend?
I messaged her yesterday. I tried to reach her yesterday. She didn't pick my call. I messaged her also. She didn't respond actually. Maybe I'll talk to her once tomorrow. Maybe she's busy.
Ma'am.
See if they extend also, maybe a week or so only. It might happen, Shubha. Hello? Shubha, are you able to hear me?
I can hear you, madam. Yeah, I think, yeah, Shubha is also there.
Maybe some internet connection. Maybe I will call. Okay.
Okay. Shubha, are you there?
Okay, logged out. Yeah, I got disconnected.
Oh, okay, okay.
So they won't be able to extend it, is it?
No, she said they might extend to a max of 1 week.
Okay.
Not sure, she said.
Okay. So we'll sit tomorrow. If you want to just let me know.
Yeah.
Okay, today I'm not feeling like everything is so much now. I understand when ma'am is teaching, but then later I just feel so confusing.
For you, yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, at least today I was thoroughly exhausted, so I couldn't register much. So, as said, what did we learn today? It was
okay, 1 second. So, hello? Yes, ma'am, I got disconnected. Yeah. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.